IT Tech Tips. 10. Best Linux Distros. 1. Ubuntu, based on Debian. Pros: user-friendly, great for beginners. Large community support, regular updates. Cons: can be bloated with pre-installed apps. Snap packages are controversial. Tip: choose Ubuntu LTS for stability or Kubuntu for a KDE Plasma experience. 2. Linux Mint, based on Ubuntu, Debian. Pros: extremely user-friendly. Cinnamon desktop is lightweight and familiar. No snap by default. Cons: slightly slower release cycle. Less cutting-edge software. Tip: ideal for Windows switchers due to its traditional desktop layout. 3. Fedora, based on Red Hat. Pros: cutting-edge software. Strong focus on open source. Great for developers. Cons: shorter support cycle, 13 months. Less beginner-friendly. Tip: use Fedora Workstation for a polished GNOME experience. 4. Debian, based on Independent. Pros: extremely stable. Huge software repository. Strong community. Cons: older software versions. Less user-friendly for beginners. Tip: choose Debian Stable for servers or advanced users. 5. Manjaro, based on Arch Linux. Pros: rolling release with up-to-date software. User-friendly Arch alternative. Great hardware support. Cons: rolling release can sometimes break things. Smaller community than Ubuntu. Tip: use Manjaro if you want Arch without the complexity. 6. Pop!os, based on Ubuntu, Debian. Pros: optimized for productivity and gaming. Great for NVIDIA GPUs. Clean UI. Cons: limited desktop environment options, mostly GNOME. Tip: perfect for gamers and developers, especially on System 76 hardware. 7. openSUSE, based on Ubuntu, Debian. Pros: Windows-like interface for easy transition. Lightweight and fast. Great for beginners. Cons: premium version costs money. Smaller community. Tip: use Zorin OS Lite for older hardware or low-end systems. 8. Endeavor OS, based on Arch Linux. Pros: minimalist and lightweight, close to pure Arch. Active community. Cons: not beginner-friendly. Requires manual setup. Tip: great for users who want to learn Arch Linux step-by-step. 9th MX Linux, based on Debian. Pros: lightweight and fast. Excellent for older hardware. Simple and stable. Cons: outdated software in stable repos. Less modern UI. Tip: use MX Linux for reviving old PCs or lightweight systems. 10th openSUSE, based on Independent. Pros: robust and stable. Great for sysadmins and developers. YAST tool for system management. Cons: slightly steeper learning curve. Tumbleweed rolling release can be unstable. Tip: choose Leap for stability or Tumbleweed for cutting-edge software. Which one do you use? Comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.